How to easily use YouTube TV's unlimited DVR. Let's quickly walk through how to use YouTube TV's unlimited DVR feature the easy way. First, open the YouTube TV app or go to tv.youtube.com on your browser and sign in. Find any show, movie, or sports event you want to record. Click on it and then tap the plus to add to library button. And that's it. YouTube TV will now automatically record all upcoming airings of that show or team. Now, for the second step, to watch your saved content. Just go to the library tab at the top, and here you'll see your recorded shows organized by category like recent recordings, shows, movies, and sports. What's great is that there are no storage limits and recordings stay saved for 9 months, so you can even skip ads while watching most DVR content. And yes, it works on all devices: your phone, your tablet, your TV, or even your desktop. So now you know how to unlock the full power of YouTube TV's DVR. Super simple. Thanks for watching.